Lesson 29, apply word drills. Key the sentences over on the right as you see. Just don't press enter after the last one, after work. So we'll click into the document and perform a spelling and grammar check. So the first thing you do is click review and then spelling and grammar. So we'll accept the first one, change, and then we'll ignore the rest. Then you'll just edit the sentences as you see on the right from the ones that are showing up on the left. And then check your work. You'll key the text as you see over on the right, and then check your work. And then we'll correct errors using the spell dialog box. So the first one that is correct, so just choose change and OK. And one more spell check. Again, click into the document first to make it active, then review, spelling and grammar, and you are finished.